Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is the Redmagic 8 Pro device, and now we will unbox it. So as you can see, I have a device with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Here on the board we have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So second generation of the Snapdragon 8. It's really great processor. So with this smartphone we will be able to play in all games during years. So let's do it gently. Okay, let's open the box. Whoa, as you can see here we have really cool box with the anime girl riding on the bike. It looks pretty. Okay, so what we have here? Here we have, it's really great. It looks really great. So what we have here? Here we have the pin to opening the SIM card slot and the case. Whoa, plastic case, yep. Oh my gosh, yep. It's the plastic case. So let's find this. Oh, let's open it. Plastic case. Okay. I hope it will not damage the back of our smartphone. And there is our smartphone here. So what we have here? So here we have really cool. So I think it's plastic. Is it the plastic part or no? So this is here. Of course, we have the glass. Here we have the aluminum on these parts. So frame is made from aluminum, and here I think this is the glass, because as you can see here is this part looks glass, and it glass, I know it, but here I think it's glass too, but on the feeling it feels like a plastic. I don't know why. I know this is the glass, but I don't know why it feels like a plastic. And it looks really cool. Looks really cool. 5G mobile phone. It feels expensive. No, it feels really expensive. Cool. So here we have the 3 cameras. So here we have the main camera, this 50 megapixels. We have 25 millimeters module, and 8 megapixels ultra wide, and of course we have our favorite 2 megapixels macro camera. I don't know why, but we have it. Okay, it's not periscope macro, it's not the telephoto module, it's just simple just simple 2 megapixels macro camera. So here we have really great screen. We have here, of course, OLED. Here we have OLED screen for 1 billion colors, and it's really cool. So I need to install the case. Oh, I don't like it. No, maybe it looks cool, but it's not safe. So this cover just will prevent for scraping your back, and that's it. So I think you need to buy the better cover for this device. So let's scroll down. I have read. So hi there, of course, English, start, skip, setup offline. I want to set up it offline. I just want to check the main features of this device. Okay, I need password. I don't want to create a password. Skip for now. Okay, so here on the board we have, of course, Android 13 with the Redmagic OS 6. So let's check it. About the phone, and here we have Redmagic OS 6. And what we have in this operation system. So this device looks really cool. As you can see here, we have really small frames, and it feels really expensive. So you need to trust me. The smartphone feels really expensive. Maybe Redmagic OS. So oh my gosh, Redmagic. Maybe Redmagic OS 6 looks not too good. But so it looks cheap. It looks like a MIUI or something about it. But if you like MIUI, so maybe it will a good experience for you. But the screen looks really cool. So I really love this screen right now. So right now it's my favorite screen maybe. Of course, here we have always on display and something about it. So what we have here, I think here we have the coolers, input and output. Here we have the triggers. As you can see, one and second, the first one and the second one triggers. Here is the game mode or something about it. Game modes, so game lobby, fan. So let's enable the fan. Okay, feel it. So here is the input of the air, and here the output. Can I change the performance of the fan? Maybe no. Fan speed, where I can find it. Total detailing, rank or something about it. No, I have no it. But okay, and if I will disable this mode, fan works. Oh my gosh, fan in the smartphone. Okay, so cool. What I can tell you about the front camera. So as you can see here, we have the back camera only. But what about the front camera? So let's open it, and let's open the front camera. And as you can see, front camera is here. Front camera is right here at the center of the screen, and you need to catch it. As you can see now, for a while you can see the front camera. Oh, and as you can see, the front camera is hidden behind the screen, and it looks cool because we have now the hole in our screen, and we can really appreciate of beautiful screen panel of this device. So it's really cool. Of course, here we have big battery for gaming device. We have gaming battery for 6,000 of milliamperes. Of course, battery is not removable. We have the 80 watt wired charging. So as you can see, here we have the blog. Oh my gosh. Okay, Nubia device. So what we have here? Here we have the output for 27 watt. Yes, 25 watts and 65 watts. So this device supports 65 watts international, and for Chinese device, your device can use 80 watts wired charging. So it's really cool. I have international device, so I have now 80 watts of the charging. And here we have really good cable. Maybe it's not too long. It's not 1 meter. I don't know how long this cable is, but it's really short, but it looks really good. Of course, the part of the cable is scratched. I don't know why, but it looks good. So maybe that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.